अगर आपको स्टार्ट करना रहेगा ना।
Assalamu alaikum, my lovely brothers and sir. Well, today's question round class. Trust me, guys, this session is very important, very beneficial for us. In this class, we learn a lot. We get lots of knowledge. So please, everyone, focus here, and you will definitely get something from here.
Yeah, that's
So
right.
we are going to attend, we are going to welcome guys who are watching my videos. कि this session is gonna very attractive, charming, tremendous and phenomenal session for all people who are watching, who are enjoying, actually who want to improve, develop their English. So let's start today's session. Okay, Mantasha, I will ask you some question now. You can ask some question one by one, guys. You have to ask some question. So I'm going to ask question. I want to ask question. This is very relevant and authentic question relative to our weather. You know, this time question is that how does hot weather impact people life? You know, last 5 days, 1 week, we are getting now weather is increasing day to day. Temperature goes very high. So what kind of impact people life this temperature?
Sir,
You know, I listen, Mantasha, I saw many people, actually many small babies, they have diarrhea, they start right now, they have fever. Now in fever time, babies, small children, actually they have problem of the vomiting, problem of the loose motion. So in this season, in this weather, actually people, they are facing problem. We need extra care for our body. If you visit anywhere out of the house, problem can be created if you cover long distance, because it's a very hot and sunny, hot air is running. So if you go from anywhere, if you cover long distance, problem can be created in this hot weather. If you want to eat any spices food, problem can be created actually in your life. If you try to study more, problem can be created in your life, because this is hot, this is so much hot and quite difficult season weather for us. So how can we protect ourselves? This is my question, Mantasha.
sir, I am agree with your question. In this time, weather is very dehydrate. Everyone is dehydrated, and everyone skin
Yeah,
also
close your
very,
mic, huh?
very dry skin, dry lips. According to me, we have to drink more and more water, and we have to eat like fruits, watery fruits like watermelon, cucumber. We have to add vegetable leafy vegetables in our diet.
So we should take 7 of the fruits, dry fruits. Actually, you are saying that now we can protect our body. We can protect from any kind of illness, disease. Actually, in this weather, you know, people this time they are highly excited to drink cool water and ice water. So ice water does impact our body.
No, sir. According to me, ice water is very dangerous because hot weather, and if you drink cool water, then you have to like fever and cold, something like tonsil. So if you drink cold water, then please normal cold water. Don't drink ice water. Because
Ice water.
Ice water is very dangerous. And also eat more fruit like watermelon, because watermelon have 99% of water, and eat cucumber.
Cucumber, yeah.
And
This
many
is
things you have. So that's
Yeah,
very
amazing answer,
beneficial.
right. Mantasha, you are putting amazingly your answer. This is great. That's so important. Now we should take care ourselves. Tell me one more thing. If I cover long distance, so just after covering long distance, we feel thirsty.
Yes.
We feel thirsty actually. So what should we do here? We should drink hot water, cool water.
No, first you take a 5 to 10 minute rest, then you drink water. I think you have to drink a Glucon-D.
Glucon-D.
Because
Yeah.
our mom say that don't drink only water
Yeah.
because it's very dangerous. You have to drink Glucon-D and like some sharbat.
Yeah.
This is very beneficial.
Yeah, very good information actually you are going for all people, for all students who are watching your video. So Glucon-D we should take. This is also act like that a glucose.
Yes, sir.
You know, this time if you have problem, if you go to the doctor, so doctor give you glucose where they take na price at 2000, 3000. Only there is no glucose. Glucose means na mix up of the hot na gram pani and also some
Sugar.
salt, sugar.
Yeah, sugar.
This is
That
also called glucose. Okay, right. So how can we control our thirsty? You know, if you cover long distance, so your body, your internal body demand na quick
Yeah.
Immediate cool water. If you are going for drinking actually na hot water, normal water, so you don't feel good. Actually, you don't like. Ki, what is this? There is no any kind of taste. Delicious. So people take taste. I think that here we have only cool water. So how can we control ourselves?
You have
Generally, people, I think that they are not going to control themselves.
you have to control. If you want to fit, if you want to that your body is good, so you have to control. You have to drink like coconut water, sugar
Yeah.
cane water. You have to control your thirstiness.
Yeah.
This is very
Now we can keep healthy ourselves. Actually, exactly. This
Yeah, you have to
is
control.
our work. This is our work. Okay, very good, nice. Next question is that ki which kind of food, how should we take food, just like breakfast, lunch, dinner? This time there are any wedding ceremony, any types of program. If I go there, if you drink, if you take spices food, so how does spices food impact human body?
in spices.
We should avoid having the spiced food, Mantasa.
I think you have to eat spices food, but like minimum, not eat too much.
Yeah.
You have,
Light
light
spices food
not
you
too
can
much,
eat.
Yeah.
So which kind of food do you want to suggest to people to eat?
You have
Vegetarian, non-vegetarian, dry fruit, already dry fruit you mentioned this is so useful to the health. So what do you think about the food?
in this time.
Very people
In this time, you have to only eat vegetables. because-
vegetables.
Yeah.
And what do you think about simple food? It's mean that simple food you should
simple
dal, chawal, and also bread, roti you
have-
should take actually,
you have to eat bottle ground and spinach, green vegetables, and watery vegetables.
Yeah, what tree vegetable?
Like lady finger.
Lady finger, yeah. Okay, this is
Yeah.
also very good. Lady finger.
Very good.
Very good. Okay, nice. One more question, Mantasa, I want to ask you. Give me any suggestion, any kind of recommendation to the people. Tell me any one fruit name which has more water,
Sir,
quantity of the water we should eat in this season.
sir, in this season, number one is watermelon and muskmelon.
Watermelon and muskmelon we should take.
Yes, sir.
Morning time, afternoon time, evening time we
anywhere.
should take. Now
Night
we can
anywhere,
cover
anytime.
because this time people fall ill. Why? Because they have lack of the water,
Yes,
they have lack of the
dehydration.
glucose, they have lack of the salt in their body. That's why they fall ill quickly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you think old time if anyone is cover any long distance? So I listen from my mother and also some old generation people, they were saying that if you are going from one place to the other place, so you should take one piyaj, one onion in your bag and also one kind of jeera, what is jaggery. So what do you think about it कि हमें जब हम घर से निकले तो हमें एक प्याज ऑनियन एक्चुअली लेना चाहिए और इससे क्या इम्पैक्ट करे, कहते हैं लू वगैरह जो हॉट एयर रहती है एक्चुअली इट क्या करती है, इट कंट्रोल. So how do you see this is
Sir,
this is I think that medicine of the old people.
Yes, sir. Sir, jaggery is very beneficial.
Jaggery is very so jaggery, this is this is food.
Jaggery is like some kind of iron. Jaggery has
Iron,
lots of
yeah.
iron. This is very good. Many people drink its sharbat.
Yeah.
Take as a sharbat.
Instead of drinking juice as well as Pepsi, Coca-Cola and ripe, we should take juice of the jaggery. It has iron, very natural.
Yes, sir.
And also doctor suggest, philosopher also suggest to take the jaggery morning time, evening time, where you can keep healthy yourself, especially particularly in this weather, in this
Yes, sir.
hot weather. Actually now we get thirsty now, we should make a juice of the jaggery. People are not going, why? People this time, student people, especially young generation, they are running behind the Pepsi.
Yes,
so
sir.
how can they manage, how can they control, how they can keep healthy themselves? I think that it's impossible for them if you are using old time people using only natural product item. That's why they looked very healthy, strong, powerful. This time I think that only some people they are using natural juice just like jaggery.
That's why they're healthy, and young generation is not healthy because they only drink.
Yeah, do you
Pepsi.
think that's why problem create in our
Yes,
life?
sir. Yes,
Ki
sir.
we are depending artificial
Yes, sir.
products. We are not using jaggery as well as any. So what do you think about the cucumber? This is very cheap price, but
Yes,
people
sir.
they are not eating.
Not taking. Yes.
Why? Cucumber, this is good.
Yes, sir. Very good.
Very good. Cucumber, na?
Yes, sir.
Do you eat?
Yes, sir.
You eat.
Yes, sir.
You eat cucumber. You like, na?
Yes, sir.
With the namak, na? By na? Namak, you
Like
can take the
salt, chaat
cucumber.
masala.
It's a good, and also na, you can use cucumber in your food, in your
As a salad.
food. This is also good. Okay, good, nice. That's a great. One more problem actually happened, Mantasha, in this weather. Ki many people they are saying that na ki whatever I ate or breakfast time, lunch time, dinner time. Actually, my food material whatever you have in my stomach, this is not na. Actually, this is not spoiling. This is not मतलब ये हजम नहीं हो रहा है. So what will you give suggestion? Suggest how will you suggest people कि खाना हजम नहीं हो रहा actually?
No, sir, I think this is a problem of weather.
This is problem of weather.
Yes, sir. Temperature is very hot.
Temperature goes very high.
That's why
That's why problem create problem. Yeah, this is.
they have to drink mint water. Mint water. It's very healthy for stomach.
Yeah, stomach, na?
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, nowadays the temperature goes very high. That's why problem create na in our
Sometime
body.
high, sometime low. It's
Yeah.
very dangerous.
Yeah, sometime low. Night time, I think that normal.
Yes, sir.
There's no
Normal.
any kind of na hot and also it's a good weather. Night time you can check na it's a good. But afternoon time
It's
it's a
very
very
hot.
goes very high. So can you tell me what's your routine of eating and also na managing your health? Do you take any extra things?
Sir, my eating habit is very bad. My mom always saying that eat, but I didn't eat properly.
Why girls especially I know that girls they are not going to eat the proper time, they are not taking food. Why? What is running in their mind ki actually why they are not eating? Boys I think that they eat time to time and also they look very healthy, strong, powerful. Girls I think that they have facility, they are making the food, they have facility, they have honor of the food each and every time they are leaving the house, but they are not taking time to time food, time to time breakfast. Why? What actually what problem?
Sir, I thought first I do all work, then I eat.
Then why sometime I think that you try to complete your work, that's
Yes,
why
sir.
you feel you feel uncomfortable, you feel right now thirsty, you feel tired yourself, now you could not have the food. This is the reason.
No, first I sir,
Yeah, girls also they are taking pressure. I think that you all girls they are taking pressure, hesitation, pressure of the home pressure, just like you have to cook the food.
no, sir.
No, is everything normal
Yes,
at your
sir.
home?
Yes, sir. Everything is normal.
So you talk normally your fathers, if your father your mother or give your work, yeah also na sometimes girls I think that they are demanding something to the parents. If parents not giving, parents try to make understand, so they try to na invite, they try to मानने को तैयारी नहीं होती है, like that
No,
actually
sir.
happen ऐसा
This
कुछ.
is nothing happened with me.
Okay guys, you have any question? Swapnil, Aksam and Akif, Anshuman, Rajbir, have you any question? Any question? This is question which is click in your mind ki we should know na opinion of the Mantasha, opinion of the other people ki what they think, what na how do they think about this particular topic, and which is very important, useful. So why people are ignoring, why people are not interesting, so any kind of question you can ask.
Interest
Exactly.
in computer.
Actually na
Yeah, I don't interest
I
in
didn't take interest na in
Interest.
computer, but informally na I learned something there.
Actually, when I operate computer, I feel so bored because I didn't understand. That's why I left computer.
That's why you left computer. You are not interesting na
Yes, sir.
actually. Yeah,
I don't.
here you are okay, very good. Can become a great public speaker, exactly na. Okay, Mantasha, do you think?
Firstly, I want to become a fluent speaker.
Yeah.
Anywhere, any person, I want to speak proper, fluent English. This is my aim.
Yeah. So you want to become fluent speaker,
sir.
fluent speaker, standard speaking. Na, actually, you
sir.
want to learn here. So do you think ki you can become a fluent speaker?
Yes, sir.
I think that you speak well, but you have not much more practice. That's why you have something problem. Actually, you have everything well.
Okay, sir.
Nice. Okay, good. Next, Akif, you ask question. Any one question you can ask, na?
How many friends you have in school time and which time?
How many friend have you, na? How many friend had you, na? Schooling time एंड हाउ वर दे, वो कैसे थे आपके फ्रेंड? जैसे मैं थे वैसे मेरे फ्रेंड थे ना। हाँ बोलिए।
Okay, I have two best friends
हाँ
in my school time, and when I joined college, then I have best friend in my school. So totally, I have three best friends right now.
3 best friend. How
Yes.
were they? How are they? They are good. How na their manner, their na education, their mentality, their character, na their behavior, how they are. How are
First,
they?
first, my best friend, her name is Adiba, and she's like, she's very less talk person.
Okay, she is
and-
not speaking na more.
No
Okay,
more.
she is
And I speak a lot, so I want I love a person who talk too much.
yeah.
So and
So you like talkative person?
yes, sir, I am very
Chatterbox.
talkative person
Yeah.
at my home. And other two my best friend, they are like with they seem like me,
Yeah, like you.
like you, like
Yeah.
me.
Yes.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, good. Nice answer. Next. And Aksam, you ask question. Any question you have? And Rajbir, Anshuman, you have question. What's your aim? What's your aim?
Um, I want to
Be-
become a honest person and like successful person.
Yeah. So here question hai. Do you want to not do any occupation just like teaching? Yeah, right now doctor
Sir,
and
yeah, I want to
where
become a teacher.
na where do you know interest?
Sir, first I have to complete my graduation, my qualification. Then I thought where I
Yeah.
teach.
So you like teaching actually,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir.
After completing your graduation, if you have opportunity, if you have offer, now you can go where you can
Sir,
teach.
9 months ago I teach a school.
You taught
20 days.
20 days.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Sir, it's Rolly Road, Global.
Yeah, that is new school.
Yes,
I think
sir, new
that I
school,
saw
yeah.
many new girls.
Sir,
They are going there teaching.
Yes, sir.
I think that now after Neher, now you have na global
Yes, sir,
school.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
you went there 20 days. You
Yes,
touched
sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
Then what happened? You
Sir, then I have like malaria and typhoid.
after that you left.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
sick.
I know that.
Yeah, sir.
That is new school
Yes,
actually,
sir.
na?
That is new school.
Yeah, teaching.
Yes, sir.
After completing your graduation, you will go. Okay, well, next question. Rajbir and Shuman, you ask question. Where do you live? How is condition of your house? Here. That area, yes. Very good.
I live in Stami near Union Bank.
Yeah, very good. बहुत जबरदस्त question है.
Near Union Bank and Ramla Maidan.
So how is condition means how is the condition situation of
Sure.
your neighbors, your village, your around your society? How is your society actually?
So it's quite good.
It's quite good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
It's quite good. Near my home, there is a bank, there is a Ramila ground, there is a
Yeah.
hospital, there is a.
So all kind of facility
Yes,
actually you have exactly there. That's why you feel comfortable
and there
to
is
go
also new
to go to
market,
visit, na?
which is very famous for shopping.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
That's
Every
great.
facilities, yes, sir.
So if you have not any kind of resource now, also you can go by
Yes, sir.
foot there, na? Because
Yes,
it's
sir.
not long distance. Yeah, good, very nice question. Zabardast answer. Okay. How do you feel this time? Yeah, how do you feel here this time? You are answering, na? So do you feel good? Do you feel free? Yeah, have you any kind of pressure, hesitation? I think that freely you are answering, frankly, Mantasha.
Yes, sir. I feel good.
How did you gain your confidence here?
I don't know, sir.
I think that last 2-3 months ago you were you have problem, you are not answering each and every answer. How are you answering this time? Now you are practicing. Yeah, you how आपने कैसे इतना मजबूत अपना confidence बना लिया? How did you make strong your confidence level कि whatever question coming frankly and smoothly you are answering. बहुत आसान तरीके से, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, amazingly you are answering. So how are you answering well? I think that you develop yourself.
Yes, sir. I try a lot.
Yeah, try and
Yes,
also I एक बार लास्ट टाइम मैंने आपसे मिला था वहाँ स्कूल में ईद से पहले आपका वहाँ पे भी आपका वो हुआ था, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था उस समय शायद आपका परफॉर्मेंस उतना अच्छा नहीं था. इट माइट बी दैट यू हैव नॉट गुड हेल्थ या यू आर नॉट रेडी, बट दिस टाइम यू फील वेरी गुड. सो मैं वहाँ एक बात आपसे कहा था कि आपके पास तैयारी हो या ना हो, नॉलेज हो या ना नॉलेज हो, आप प्रैक्टिस करो या ना प्रैक्टिस करो, लेकिन जब भी किसी पार्टिसिपेट करो, जब भी किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर दो, तो ये समझ के दो कि प्रैक्टिस है या ना वो अलग बात है, लेकिन जो मैं आंसर दूंगा पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ क्या कोशिश करने की दूंगा। प्रैक्टिस हो रही है नहीं हो रही है एक अलग बात है, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस की अलग बात है, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मेरे पास वो अलग बात है, लेकिन जब भी आपके पास बेसिक अगर नॉलेज है, थोड़ा बहुत प्रैक्टिस है, तो उसमें आप कोशिश कीजिए बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करने के लिए।
Yes, sir.
सो लाइक दैट आपका आज का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा आपका।
Thank you, sir, for a compliment.
But you try to continue,
sir.
try
Yes,
to
sir.
continue, try to change yourself. I think that what's your feedback if I give you, there is sometime you are not speaking loudly, you have to change your voice modulation actually.
Yes, sir.
Voice modulation, you have to pause, you have to go loud, you have to speak loudly some places slowly.
Yes,
This
sir.
kind of activity also you have to adopt. And also something I want to see from your body language, your hand expression, eyes contact. Okay, if you are standing here, so your body language is also play important role. Okay, will you do now? Inshallah you can become a great public speaker, you can speak, you can go anywhere, you can become a wonderful speaker. Sir, tell me, have you any types of problem to speak, to answer, to put your delivery? Yeah, smoothly, frankly you are speaking. Have you any kind of hesitation, pressure? Have you any kind of problem to speak?
No, sir.
No, you have not.
No, sir.
You speak well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Take your place. Zabardast.
I'm fine, sir.
How do you feel here?
I feel very good.
Okay, what do you think about the Mantasha? How did she mention? How did she put her delivery? Do you did you notice something? Ki really she is explaining well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed this.
You notice she is explaining well.
Well.
She well answering. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So did she impress you?
Yeah.
Tell me how do you manage your daily routine exactly? I think that morning time you go, how many coaching do you attend?
3 questions.
3 coaching morning time. When timing?
5:30
5:30
and
6:30
No,
5:30
to
7 5:30 to 7 first your timing.
Yeah.
Oh 5:30 some people they are sleeping 5:30. Okay, and second your coaching?
After that, I go to school.
Yeah, now you go to school.
Yeah.
Then
I come at 1 o'clock.
after that 2 o'clock you come here, you learn a computer. Then you
After
go
that, I go to edit coaching.
coaching where you learn mathematics 1 hour.
Yeah, 1.
1 hour. So now here is also learning. So continuously I think that 5 hours. 5:30 to 7. 5:30 to 7 and also 2 hours here.
Yeah.
2 hours, 1 hour mathematics, 3, 4 hours. 4 hours, 30 minutes you are continuously, I think that, attending the coaching. Now 5 hours, I think that you go to school. So how do you manage? How do you collect energy? And tell me, हर एक जगह आपकी एनर्जी सेम रहती है कि आप ट्राई करते हो, हर एक जगह ट्राई करते हो टॉप करने की? क्या पोजीशन हर एक जगह आपकी टॉपर में ही आती है पोजीशन? यू ट्राई टू टॉप?
Yeah, I always try to talk because my father said, if you get a second rank or third rank, then don't say me.
Okay, if you get second and third rank, don't share with me.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to see, I don't want to listen your third rank and second rank.
Yeah.
Only first rank I want to see.
I want to see that.
Oh,
Always he want
that's
to say.
so you-
and, he also
So
said-
I think that बहुत ज़्यादा do you work hard more? I think that
Yeah, I work hard because my father said, well, you want to become an IAS officer, then you have to study more.
you have to study more.
Yeah.
So one day you can become, I think that. So how many hours do you study at home?
More.
What's your timing? 7 to 10 या 7 to 6 to
7 4 hours.
7
Yeah.
to
7 to 11 12.
11 12 o'clock you sleep. After that 5 o'clock you get up.
Yeah.
Daily, it's your
Daily.
routine.
Yeah.
Do you take rest any day? Yeah, continue work hard.
On Sunday I take.
On Sunday you full
Yeah.
enjoy.
Full not. I
Not.
study also in day.
But I think that
I get some.
it's my opinion, but I think that it's your routine, it's your time, so you can enjoy. But I think that one day you should enjoy a full day.
I
Because
enjoy
continuously 5-6 days you are now working hard from evening, from morning, early morning to evening 12 o'clock you are working hard.
Yeah.
So one day you should enjoy, I think that.
I enjoy, but
You enjoy one day.
Not full day, but I.
So and also you have not any kind of extra activity at home.
Yeah, no.
Only you study.
Study. Yeah.
Only you have to study.
Yeah.
Your father is not giving work, any
Yeah,
types of work.
no.
No, only you study, you
Yeah.
focus on your study.
Yeah.
You will all work completed by your father.
Yeah, my father said I can do all work, only you should. I
course.
and my brother should only
So
study.
hope है कि इंशाल्लाह you will illuminate, you will ना actually ना एक दिन आप क्या करोगे, अपने पापा का नाम क्या करोगे, रोशन करोगे. So do you think so your पापा बहुत ज़्यादा आपकी क्या करते हैं, गाइड करते हैं,
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा आपका सपोर्ट करते हैं, और आज आप पढ़ रहे हो, टॉप कर रहे हो, तो बिकॉज ऑफ जस्ट योर फादर.
Yeah,
So na, okay, very good. I would like to salute na your father efforts, your mother efforts na, कि how they are giving training, how they are managing, how they are guiding. This is great, amazing. कि you are coming here, you have energy. तो कभी कभी ऐसा महसूस होता है कि यार क्या रोज भाई मैं कर रहा हूँ. कभी कभी do you get hopeless?
Yeah.
Do you get nervousness?
yeah.
कभी
someday,
होता है.
Yeah.
Some days. So how do you charge yourself?
Because when I have no energy, on that day I think this is very boring daily to daily.
This is your boring day actually na. So what activity do you play any types of game?
Yeah, I play
What game?
with my friends. Something I can play.
Yeah, something outside the house.
Yeah.
You play with your friend.
Yeah,
Sometime.
yeah.
Okay, right. Do you like to attend the wedding ceremony? Do you go there? I think this time is मौसम या weather of the wedding is start na. Lagan is start
Yeah, I go only eat and just
after I come back. Yeah, it's a good na.
and daily I also.
You don't miss any classes,
Yeah,
because I know that some student if they na get chance ki relative या villagers neighbors any kind of wedding ceremony happen, so they start missing the class on that day after na.
yeah.
So you don't miss.
I don't.
Yeah, good. So आप लगातार कंटिन्यूसली लास्ट 5 years या 10 years या 12 years you are working same activity. So did you improve yourself? Did you see कि I am getting ना, I am developing myself?
Yeah.
कुछ डेवलपमेंट हुआ कि पहले आप कमजोर थे, अब धीरे धीरे मजबूत हो रहे हो, आपको लग
Before
रहा है?
time I'm too much big, but this time I.
Yeah, na. Earlier you were weak, but
Yeah.
this time after working continuously
Yes,
for 3 years, you feel good, you feel comfortable
Yeah.
actually na, कि I can speak, I can talk, okay?
Yeah.
And also did you improve in English language?
Yes, sir. Because before time I have no knowledge of English to speak or to
To talk.
talk. Yeah.
This time you have confidence,
Yeah,
well you
I
can
have-
talk.
Yeah.
But this time you are not practicing well, because you are preparing high school examination.
Yeah.
So what's your prediction? What's your expectation? Ki how many marks can you bring? Because
My
it's 1
father
year,
said
I
you
think.
have to get a
Top.
position on.
You know, this time 98. This is the topper of the UP. 98. 99, 98, na?
99.5.
Yeah, there is one boy, two boy. I think that
Girls.
girls.
Yeah.
So what's your percentage in high school?
Yeah,
90.
my father said 95 plus.
95 plus I want to see from your
Yeah.
side. So will you try?
I will full try. I said.
We'll try, full try. Okay, good. All right. Okay, guys. Any question you have, Mantasha? Have you any question? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is to study many more books.
Studying many books.
Yeah.
Studying many
Books.
You like, na?
Yeah.
You loving actually studying books. This is the good.
Yeah.
Where do you na?
Where I can get a more knowledge of general
Yeah.
knowledge or any type of.
Where can you na? You can learn lots of gain knowledge. Okay, very good. Aksam, you have any question you can ask? What's your weakness, Opnil? Okay, right.
Forget and weakness. I forget how very less time I can forget.
Yeah, so your
Yeah,
weakness
if I have
actually,
no
na?
practice,
You
then I
forget,
can-
na?
yeah.
You forget fastly.
Yeah.
Any
if I have
chapter.
no practice, then I can
You
forget.
forget. So I think that I also forget. You know, if I talk about the engineer people, they are also forgetting more. Okay, next question, Hanzala.
What's your qualification?
What's your qualification?
Just
this time I-
I'm 10th standard.
10th standard. This is my qualification. Anshuman, Rajveer. Which is your favorite book? Very good.
Our constitution book.
Our constitution, I believe more. Na ki our constitution is my favorite book. Okay, right. Anshuman, you. Oh, vegetable. Which is your favorite vegetable and how is taste of that vegetable actually, na?
I don't know. I don't like.
You don't know, na? No.
Only-
Since childhood time, na, I like only one vegetable. This is the This is the bhindi.
I like.
This is the
I like
finger.
only milk.
Huh? You like
I like only milk.
milk? You like morning time? Have you buffalo?
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, this is the best milk. Milk is the best tonic. I think that if you take morning time, evening time, so you look very changa manga, right? So you have not any kind of problem. This is the good. Okay, very good. Take your place. Okay, you have next question. You have to ask yourself.
Fine, sir.
How do you feel here?
Good.
Yeah, I feel good ना, I feel good ना. You try to exaggerate सब ना. Just मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा, आप अगर स्पोकन में हो तो उसमें 2-4 लाइन देने की आंसर दीजिए. Sir, actually I feel very good because this is I came here, I am going to answer, so I have energy. I try to perform. I will try to make my effort here. I am practicing this time. I becoming fail sometime, but sometime I improve. I develop myself. So I feel good. I try to do my best na here. Okay, Aksam, there is one question which I want to ask relative from na. I think that you are uploading video on YouTube, actually. So tell me once time already you are fail. I think that not fail only na your project is I think that na bad na. So still you have energy to continue this process. I think that for 3 years you work hard.
Yes, sir. I have more energy.
या तो इससे पहले आप 3 साल लगातार मेहनत किए, कोई रिजल्ट नहीं निकला अगर देखा जाए.
Yes, sir.
So you work hard continuously 3 years on YouTube.
Yes.
This is not easy process. This is not easy procedure for anyone because you have to upload, you have to make, you have to record video in front of the camera. This is not easier, and also you have to manage camera and also after the mic. Now you can say that your energy you have to waste. You have to manage your family, your shop, even also. I can say that key consistency you must have. Now one more important thing is you have to editing process. It will take time. It also very boring process. So how do you manage ki after 3 years continuously you work hard, there's no any kind of result, but still you continue, you start uploading video. So how do you charge yourself ki one day what kind of expectation you have ki one day I can become success, one day I can earn lots of money by YouTube by my video, ki one day I can become famous in technical videos. Do you have passion? Do you have energy? Do you have wish कि एक दिन मैं बहुत बड़ा यूट्यूबर बन सकता हूँ? Actually I think that I can become great YouTuber where I can become famous in technical videos. What do you think?
Yes, sir. I have energy. I have passion. I can do currently.
Yeah, very good. You have energy. You have
5 year.
Yeah, you have energy na. If 5 years, 6 years, will you do same activity?
Yes, sir.
Same energy you have.
Yes.
There is no any kind of rukawat. There is no any kind of foundation. There is no any kind of obstacle in your life. कि actually you continue work hard unless you success you continue. जब तक आप सफल नहीं हुए तब तक आप क्या करोगे? लगे रहोगे. So this is the best ना कि you have to persist. You have to insist here. Now you can see result easily. We cannot see after giving a great contribution, great effort, great pain, a long time. Now we see result. We see what problem have you to speak English to put delivery? I think that in Hindi language you are speaking well. You are recording, you are making video. I saw your video. You are speaking well. You have passion. You have obsession. You have energy. So what problem actually you have in English language to speak to face problem? क्या दिक्कत होती है आपको अंग्रेजी बोलने में? वर्ड है, सेंटेंसेस है, प्रैक्टिस है, या सेंटेंसेस नहीं आ रहे, ग्रामर या आइडिया आपको नहीं मिल रहा? एक्चुअली यू आर नॉट गेटिंग आइडिया.
Sir, I have main problem. I have no word.
You have not words.
Yes.
That's why you face problem.
Yes.
But when I speak, you are understanding.
I have more.
Tell me,
Hindi word,
listen me. I speak Hindi.
Yes, sir.
I speak English. You understand? Yes or no? मैं जब बोलता हूँ अंग्रेजी आप समझते हो कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
इसका मतलब फिर क्या? या वर्ड जब मेरे वर्ड को आप समझ रहे हो तो इसका मतलब वर्ड आप जानते हो. दिक्कत ये हो सकती है आपको सेंटेंस को रीअरेंजमेंट करने में, सेंटेंस को अरेंजमेंट करने में आपको दिक्कत हो सकती है कि कौन सी बात कब बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है. आप सोचने लगते हो ग्रामर कैसे यूज करूँ, क्या यूज करूँ, ये प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. तो आप कोशिश कीजिए आसान से आसान चीजों, आसान से आसान तरीका, ये समझिए जो बातें लोगों को समझ में आ जाओ तरीका आप यूज कीजिए. बहुत इफेक्टिव तरीका है. आप बहुत ज्यादा ग्रामेटिकल उलझन में मत पड़िए. वर्ड आपके पास है, बहुत सारा वर्ड, मैं सिंपल वर्ड बोलता हूँ सभी लोग समझते हैं, फिर मतलब इसका मतलब ये साफ है, क्लियर है कि आप जानते हो वर्ड को, वर्ड से आप अवेयर हो. व्हाट्सएप दिक्कत होती है शायद आप सेंटेंस को रीअरेंज करने को, सेंटेंस को ग्रामेटिकल फॉर्म में बदलने को, सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करने को, सेंटेंस को क्या एक्सचेंज करने को, अपना पॉइंट को लाने की सारी दिक्कतें हो सकती है। आई थिंक दैट इज इट राइट।
Yes.
सो इजीली है, आप सिंपल तरीका जो बातें आपको दिख रही है ना, जो पॉइंट जो सेंटेंस आपको दिख रहा है, जो पॉइंट दिख रहा है, उसको कहने के लिए आप एकदम आसान तरीका ढूंढिए कि कौन सी बात मैं पहले उठाऊं, सब्जेक्ट है कि ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, कैसे मैं कहूं कि सामने वाला आसानी से क्या करे, समझ जाए। और बोलते समय अपने आप को बहुत कंफर्टेबल फील कीजिए कि जो सारी बातें मेरे दिमाग में क्लिक कर रही मैं अंग्रेजी में कह सकता हूं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस आपको बनाना है। लाइक दैट कॉन्फिडेंस यू ट्राई टू मेंटेन, यू ट्राई टू शो व्हाइल पुटिंग, व्हाइल ना डिफाइनिंग, व्हाइल एक्सप्लेनिंग। नाउ यू कैन पुट, यू कैन से ना डिफरेंटली। अभी तक स्टिल आई थिंक दैट यू हैव प्रेशर की बहुत ज्यादा खुल के आप नहीं बोल रहे हो, यू आर नॉट स्पीकिंग फ्रेंकली
Yes.
लाइक दैट स्वप्निल एंड मंतशा। बहरहाल उन दोनों का थोड़ा सा आगे मामला, तो आपको थोड़ा सा खुलिए। यू आर लेडी ना, यू आर यूट्यूबर, यू कैन डू इट फ्रीली। टॉक जो भी आ रहा है खुल के बोलिए, समझिए आई कैन स्पीक बेटर देन टीचर, बेटर देन ऑल स्टूडेंट हु आर स्पीकिंग हियर, हु आर पुटिंग हियर। कोशिश कीजिए चीजों को आसान तरीके से कहने का। और दूसरी बात आप कोशिश कीजिए कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा मैं बोलूं चीजों को, ज्यादा से ज्यादा डीप में जाऊं, तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट मिलेगा आराम से, कुछ ना कुछ एनर्जी आपको मिलेगी, कुछ ना कुछ सेंटेंसेस मिलेगा। अपने आप पे मत सोचिए कि मैं जल्दी से खत्म कर दूं, जल्दी से आंसर दे दूं, शॉर्ट में आंसर दूं। नहीं, आपको अभी सीख रहे हो, कोशिश करना एक्सप्लेन करना, कोशिश करना एक्सैजरेट करना, चीजों को बढ़ाना चढ़ाना, मुबालगा करना। यू ट्राई टू एक्सैजरेट, यू ट्राई टू ब्यूटीफाई, यू ट्राई टू टेल इन डिटेल ऑल काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल थिंग्स क्लिक वट एवर इन योर माइंड। बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
जी।
Yes.
इनका परफॉर्मेंस ठीक ठाक था आज। मैंने लास्ट टाइम जब मैं इससे पहले लिया था मुझे बहुत खुशी नहीं होती, लेकिन आज इन्होंने जो बोला है, अपने से स्टार्टिंग किया, वो सारी चीजें आपने देखा शायद बहुत अच्छी थी।
Yes, sir.
यस ना। स्वप्निल का ठीक है, लेकिन अभी उतना अच्छा नहीं जितना मैं चाहता हूँ इसकी तरफ से। मुझे लगता है प्रैक्टिस वगैरह आज के लिए बहुत अच्छी नहीं कर रहा है। सो आई वांट टू सी मोर ना, मोर चेंजेस। सो दिस इज यू हो, आपको बोलना है दिस इज यू कैन स्पीक बेटर, यू कैन बिकम, यू कैन टॉक। हिंदी आप बहुत जल्दी पकड़ लेते हो, हिंदी में बोलने लगते हो, अंग्रेजी थोड़ा सा हटके। हु इज योर आइडियल पर्सन इन योर फैमिली? देयर इज ना। क्यों इतना फाउंडेशन लगा दी? फैमिली में अगर नहीं हो तब फाउंडेशन लगाने से क्या, अगर फैमिली में नहीं तो आंसर ही नहीं आएगा फिर। देयर इज नो एनी काइंड ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट टू बाउंड की फैमिली लगाना है ना क्या? चलिए जनरल आप बता दीजिए। सम हैव यू एनी आइडियल
I
पर्सन?
have no idea.
You have no ideal.
Yes.
You believe
Me
yourself.
versus me.
You believe yourself. I have to do each and everything on myself, on my foot,
Yes. sir.
on my foot. Okay, na? So you have to say some ki actually brother, I have no any kind of ideal person. I believe myself and I try to make better myself. I try to change myself. I try to learn where I go, learn whatever I do, learn whatever I apply. So everything I try to best myself. I don't depend anywhere, any person. Okay? Good.
I have
Next
done
question.
12th. I am pursuing BCom.
BCom this time. Okay, you have completed 12th and also you are doing completing your BCom.
Yes.
Okay, good. अभी एग्जैजरेट रखिए, चीज़ों को एग्जैजरेट करिए, बढ़ाइए कि एक्चुअली आई हैव कंप्लीटेड, आई हैव डन 12th, now I am completing BCom because I think that I like most this is good, and if I start business, if I do business, this job will help me BCom na, because
Time I leave BCom.
I leave BCom.
Yes.
Okay, what kind of development do you see na in your village? There is any kind of development or not in your village? कुछ development है आपके गाँव में कि नहीं है एज कंपैरिजन पहले से? लोगों का डेवलपमेंट, एजुकेशन का डेवलपमेंट, ठीक है। और रही बात फाइनेंशियली, पीपल आर डेवलपिंग, एजुकेशनली पीपल आर डेवलपिंग ना, एंड मेंटली पीपल आर डेवलपिंग एंड बिहेवियर in many ways.
Sir, this time more development in my village.
Yeah, this time more development.
Before,
As comparison past, na?
as comparison past
Good.
20 years.
20 years, na? Yeah, in 20 years your village develop more.
In 3 years.
In which area? Education area या infrastructure area कि लोगों को घर वगैरह बहुत अच्छा बना लिए. I think that लोगों को घर वगैरह बहुत तेजी से बन रहा है आजकल. मतलब खास तौर से हैं, पढ़ाई वढ़ाई ज़्यादा बढ़ानी चाहिए, घर तो बाद में भी बढ़ जाएगा, लेकिन बट पीपल दे आर मेकिंग ना कंस्ट्रक्टिंग. कि किस में आपको लग रहा है कि बिजनेस एरिया में पीपल दे ना बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग?
many type field.
Many types of business and
Business and education.
education,
In my village
infrastructure in your village. So many types of development actually you see.
Yes.
Aksam, tell me, do you like to have to make friendship friend? आप पसंद करते हो दोस्ती करना, दोस्ती बनाना, या आप एक ही दो दोस्त पे भरोसा करते हो, या मतलब जैसे बहुत सारे बच्चे जो स्कूलिंग टाइम होता है आजकल मैं देखता हूँ जो पढ़ने आते हैं खूब दोस्त बनाएंगे, 8-10-20 दोस्त हो जाएंगे। मेरे भी छोटे में दोस्त रहते हैं, बड़े होते हैं लोग दोस्त कम होते चले जाते हैं। क्या आपको लगता है कि दोस्त वगैरह बनाना चाहिए हमें कि नहीं, या सबको अपना, ना किसी को दोस्त समझिए ना दुश्मन समझिए? इफ यू आस्क मी क्वेश्चन, हैव यू एनी enemy? No, I have not any enemy now. No, I have not any friend. क्या समझते हो?
Yes, sir. But any friend I can't expectation.
हाँ, you can't ना,
Yes.
you can't have any kind of expectation from any friend. आप कोई उम्मीद नहीं रख सकते हो किसी फ्रेंड से। अगर आप बना रहे हो
Yes, sir.
तो आप बना सकते हो। तो आप दोस्त ज्यादा बनाते हो कि कम बनाते हो?
I have more friend, but I can't expectation any.
Yeah, you have more
I
friend
friend-
as a brotherhood, as a humanity कि all are my friend, but you have not any kind of expectation कि actually they will help me.
Yes, sir.
You believe yourself.
I stand every friend, but I am not expectation.
Yeah,
Any
you
friend stand with me.
yeah, you have not any kind of expectation कि they will help you, they will stand with you. ना, if you face problem, if you disturb you, if you ना go ना in a poor condition. Yeah, very good. Take your place. How do you feel, Hanzala?
So I feel very good.
Yeah, I think that you are coming here continuously. So did you develop something yourself? Do you practice at home? Half hours, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Do not try to make any friendship where you can talk. No, Elan, you are single enough. You are sufficient. You can talk yourself. You can talk, Elan. You can talk by sitting here, by sitting there at home.
Sir, I work, I translate.
You
No
translate.
time. Yes.
You at home, you practice. कुछ बोलते हो जैसे यहाँ मैं बुलवा रहा हूँ, आप घर पे कुछ बोलते हो कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Sometime ना, every time you try to know, मतलब many times you try to speak, कुछ भी बोलिए anything ना, जो क्वेश्चन यहाँ है अकेले बोलिए लेकिन जरूर जब आपके अंदर और चेंजेस आएगा एक्चुअली ना, हाउ यू कैन चेंज, यू वांट टू बिकम अ ग्रेट पब्लिक स्पीकर, सो हाउ यू कैन चेंज योरसेल्फ, हाउ यू कैन गेट एनर्जी, हाउ यू कैन गेट आइडिया टू स्पीक better, to speak well, to speak confidently, fluently, frankly anywhere. So you must have na consistency to speak, to practice at home daily, on daily practice, on the basis of daily practice you can improve yourself. There is no any kind of shortcut, to learn. 5 minutes, only 5 minutes. If you are running, if you are driving, अगर आप कहीं घूमने जा रहे हो, घर से बाहर निकलो, बाहर से अंदर खाना खा के टहलने को, तब भी बोलने लगो, how are you my dear friend, actually just I ate the food, this is very delicious food, okay, this is my favorite, today I ate the biryani, this is many things you can speak. और कोई particular topic नहीं choose करना है, कोई particular time नहीं आपको fit करना है, you know, try to put any fixed time कि this time I will practice, any time you can speak, but दिन भर में 1-2 बार आपको क्या करना है, बोलना ही है। और वो टाइम सबको मिलती है, कितना भी आप बिजी रहोगे आपको टाइम मिलेगी ना, वो टाइम बोलना है। कोई पर्टिकुलर नहीं है कि किताब लेके बैठना है रात में, नहीं, चलते फिरते बाइक चला रहे हो, आराम से जा रहे हो, कहीं 5 मिनट बैठना है, पहुंचना है 10 मिनट में पहुंचिए, आराम से जा रहे हो, रास्ता खा लिया, बोलते चले जाइए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। कहीं घूमने गए हो, खाने के बाद निकले, वहाँ बोले, कुछ बैठे हो सोच रहे हो, आराम से बोलते रहिए, तो आपके अंदर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मेंटेन होगा, बहुत सारा कॉन्फिडेंस आप पाओगे, एनर्जी पाओगे, तरीका पाओगे कि एक्चुअली यू आर वर्किंग। और बोलने के लिए कुछ भी स्टार्ट करिए, ओके, हाउ आर यू फ्रेंड, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट बिकॉज दिस इज माई हैबिट कि डेली आई हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, मुझे क्या करना है, डेली प्रैक्टिस करना है। बात समझ आ रही है? ओके, वेरी गुड। ओके, आस्क क्वेश्चन मनते सर। What do you like to do in your free time? What activity ना actually you like to do in your time? Free time में आप क्या करना पसंद करते हो अंजला? You study या you watch mobile, you use mobile, you enjoy?
I study.
हाँ, एकदम खुल के बोलिए बच्चे, एकदम खुल के बोलना है। Actually I like, एकदम hand expression दिखे। Actually I like
I study in free time.
हाँ, actually I like ना studying in my free time. So whenever I get free time,
Not syllabus.
out of syllabus.
Out of syllabus books I read.
Books,
Free time.
newspaper, and also na magazine, many types of book. Actually, I am. So whenever I get free time, I try to spend my free time na reading the book, reading the newspaper, reading the out of the syllabus, and also sometime also I watch motivational videos na on YouTube. So I try to search, I try to collect much more knowledge in my free time, because this is, I think that I believe more on knowledge, education ki this this will help you more in our life to become. What do you want to do? What's your dream actually in your life?
I want to become a great person.
You want to become a great person. Which type great person you want to? You want to become a great person means you want to become a
Sir, first, honest.
honest person. तो मिल जाएगा. You want to become a ना reach of the heart.
Yes.
हैं? तो कैसे दिल का अमीर बनोगे? जब पैसा रहेगा तभी बनोगे ना. हैं?
No, sir. Money is clear.
दिल का अमीर बनने के लिए कुछ तो शो करना पड़ेगा आपको ना.
Yes, sir.
मैंने देखा ऐसा मैनी पुअर फैमिली दे आर वेरी दिल के अमीर होते हैं लेकिन उनके पास नहीं होता है देने के लिए.
Yes.
बट ऐसा मैनी पीपल मैनी रिच मैन दे आर दिल के गरीब, उनके पास कुछ देने के लिए नहीं होता है. नहीं होता है. पैसा बहुत होता है लेकिन ऐसा खर्च करते हैं लगता है कि उससे ज़्यादा तो जो गरीब है वो खर्चा कर देता है यार. चलिए मे यू fulfill your ना all dream whatever you like whatever you wishes ना.
Yes.
कि your intention is so gentle and pure holy. Okay, take your place, Rice. Very good. You feel good. I think that you know also this is reality कि you are coming here from Sanjarpur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So continuously you are coming here, but you will change yourself. I think that you have completed 2 months, 3 months. I think that, but what your expectation I want to see from your side. This is not enough. This is not sufficient. I want to see changes yourself na कि you have to show your confidence, but you are speaking, but this is not sufficient. This is not enough to become a public speaker, to change yourself. So tell me what problem actually you have to speak English language. Have you hesitation? Have you डर? आपके अंदर डर है या कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
Sir, I have no idea.
हाँ?
I have no idea, sir.
You have no idea to put
Yes.
डिलीवरी. आपको जानना है, ये भी जानना है कि कैसे आपको आइडिया मिलेगी, कैसे आपको आइडिया मिल सकती है. बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. आइडिया आपको उसी वक्त मिल सकती है भाई. खजाना कब मिलेगा? जब आप खोदोगे तब मिलेगा है. तो आपको आइडिया आपके उस वक्त मिलेगा जो आप इफर्ट लगा रहे हो. कितना बोल रहे हो? 1-2 मिनट आप बोलने की एनर्जी आपके पास है. आई थिंक दैट 1 मिनट 2 मिनट यू कैन स्पीक. लेकिन जब आप बोलते हो ज़रा सोच के बताइए कि आप बहुत जल्दबाजी में रहे तो ऐसा लगता है कि जल्दी से ख़त्म करके मुझे जाना है, डर है अंदर से कहीं भूल ना जाऊँ. सच काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी एक्चुअली आई फील. इज इट राइट?
Yes.
ऐसा ही होता है.
Yes, sir.
तो इसको चेंज करना है ब्रदर. ये रियलिटी क्या है? हमें ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करना है भाई. कोई 2 महीने, कोई 6 महीना, कोई 1 साल 2 साल में सीखे तो कोई बात नहीं, अच्छी बात है. आप आगे जाओगे इंप्रूवमेंट करोगे. लेकिन अभी से अपने आप को चेंज करने की कोशिश कीजिए. लेकिन ये बात भी सही है, आपको चेंज करने में 1 दिन नहीं लगेगा, टाइम लगेगा. 2 4 5 6 महीना, 1 साल भी लग सकता है, 2 साल भी लग सकता है. लेकिन कोशिश कोशिश करिए अपने आप को चेंज करना. और आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए मेरी कमियां क्या, उस पर काम करना है. व्हाट इज माई मिस्टेक, व्हाट इज माई फॉल्ट, आई ट्राई टू वर्क, आई ट्राई टू चेंज, आई ट्राई टू रिकवर. What is my mistake? What is my fault? If you face problem to come here to speak more, now you try to see, you try to ना stand up here. अपने आप को यहाँ stand करना है, अपने आप को यहाँ जमाना है. You have to consist, you have to insist here कि actually I can speak, I am potential, I have power, I can speak, I can well, I can perform.
Yes, sir.
Do not try to have negativity कि I have to complete within 1 minute, I can speak only English fastly, loudly. Okay, right now only informally you try to speak. After that you go and sit. So you openly you have to talk, frankly you try to talk whatever you have ना. you have to speak. जहाँ आपको दिक्कत होगी I will try. So आप अपने आप को आइडिया कैसे आपको मिलेगी? How you can get idea of public speaking? Idea speaking, this is one kind of art. This is one kind of art. So how can you speak? You are coming here, this is good, but you make effort daily. You try to make effort. आपको आइडिया कैसे मिलेगी जब तक आप उसमें मेहनत नहीं करोगे? So tell me, do you practice at home? Do you talk at your home with your sister, with your father, with your mother? I think that your father is also teacher, so you can connect, you can talk, you can ask many questions. Father, you may ask question in Hindi language, I will try to answer in English language, don't worry. और ज़्यादातर लोग 90% people समझते हैं अंग्रेजी, वो बोल नहीं पाते भले, लेकिन क्या करते हैं, समझ जाते हैं. So tell me, do you do any activity at home?
No, sir.
So this is the first your problem. प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि आपको घर पे प्रैक्टिस करना है, अपने मर्जी से एकदम खुल के बैठना है. ये समझ के जैसे मैं यहाँ टीचर हूँ, जो मन कह रहा है बोल, मैं कुछ तैयार नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जो मन कह रहा है मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जो मन कह रहा है क्या है बोल रहा हूँ ना. ठीक है, तो मैं कुछ प्रैक्टिस मतलब जो भी मन कह रहा है बोल रहा हूँ. आपको घर पे जाने एकदम फ्री होके बोलना है और वो सारी बातें हैं. शुरू में मैंने बताया आप ऐसे ही बोलिए, हाउ आर यू, आई फील गुड, आई एम सिटिंग हियर नाउ, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इंग्लिश डेली, आई हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, आई हैव टू चेंज माई सेल्फ, आई वांट टू चेंज माई सेल्फ ब्रदर, आई विल चेंज माई सेल्फ, आई विल चेंज माई फादर, आई वांट टू चेंज माई सेल्फ, आई वांट टू चेंज माई इंग्लिश, आई वांट टू चेंज माई मॉड्यूलेशन, आई स्पीक 1 minute, नो दिस इज नॉट गुड, आई विल ट्राई टू स्पीक हाफ आवर्स 10 minutes, आई विल ट्राई टू परफॉर्म, आई विल ट्राई टू ना I will try to do best myself. दिस इज द गुड, यू हैव टू थिंक एनीथिंग यू कैन स्पीक, कुछ भी आप स्पीक कर सकते हो। और वही सेम एक्टिविटी, सेम कॉन्फिडेंस, सेम पैशन आपको करना है। ध्यान देना, हमेशा तेज बोलिए, स्पीक ट्राई टू लाउडली, कॉन्फिडेंस बनाए रखिए, कॉन्फिडेंटली जो बातें कहिए गलत या सही उसे पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, शर्म मत कीजिए, डू नॉट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ हेजिटेशन, एम्बैरेसमेंट योरसेल्फ एंड डू नॉट ट्राई टू स्केयर, डरने की कोशिश मत कीजिए। बात समझ में आ रही है? सो यू ट्राई टू चेंज फर्स्ट नंबर, आप 5 मिनट 10 मिनट जरूर घर पे बोलिए, और कोई टाइम नहीं निकालना है, आप पढ़िए जो पढ़ रहे हो, जो कर रहे हो, जो हासिल कर रहे हो, चलते फिरते आप चलोगे फिरोगे तो वहाँ टाइम आपको तो खत्म होगा। बस वही चलते फिरते में आप क्या करिए, बोल लीजिए, अकेले बोलिए। अभी फिर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं इंप्रूव कर रहा हूँ, किसी दोस्त वगैरह आपको मिल जाएंगे उनसे बोलिए, कोई और मिल जाता है, क्लास मिल जाता है उनसे बोलिए। तो हमको एक्टिविटी करना है। और रही बात आइडिया की, आपको आइडिया नहीं मिल पा रहा है, जब आप बार बार यहाँ टाइम दोगे, घर पे बोलोगे, यहाँ बोलो, घर पे बोलोगे, यहाँ बोलोगे, अपने आप आपको आइडिया मिलेगी, पहली बार। और दूसरा नंबर है कि आप लोगों को वॉच करना भी है, मुझे ऑब्जर्व करना है, कोई वीडियो वगैरह देखना है, जो आप देख रहे हो, यूट्यूब चला रहे हो, आप सारी चीजें करते हो, तो वहाँ कुछ वीडियो 5-10 मिनट की देखिए, 5 ही मिनट की देखिए, वॉच करिए, यूट्यूब पे वॉच करिए, ऑब्जर्व करिए कि वैसे कैसे वो लोग बोल रहे हैं इफेक्टिव तरीके से, ठीक है।
Yes.
और मैं कैसे बोल रहा हूँ उसमें आप कॉपी करिए। जैसे मैंने बोला, आई गोना प्रैक्टिस वेल लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आप भी कोशिश कीजिए, आई गोना प्रैक्टिस वेल लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन। हमारे दिमाग में अपने दिमाग से आप बोलिए, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट्स वेरी नाइस सेशन, ना कि वी आर गोइंग टू प्रैक्टिस, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हियर, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न हियर। आप बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए। बात समझ में आ रही है? विल यू डू, विल यू अप्लाई?
Inshallah.
Yeah, so you have to try to change yourself, you try to learn something, you try to again, you try to improve yourself. Okay, very good, take your place. Right, जबरदस्त। Rafati, how are you?
Sir, fine.
Are you fine? Good. आपके ब्रदर ने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा, राइट ना? आपने जो क्वेश्चन पूछा अपने से बनाए थे, आपके भाई ने बताया था?
हाँ सर।
अपने से बनाए थे, बहुत अच्छे। खुलिए थोड़ा सा, बहुत डर लग रही है आपको, लग रहा है यहाँ बैठो, डर रहे हो क्या है?
नो सर।
नहीं डर रहे हो ना? बोलो तब थोड़ा सा, हेलो हाय।
हेलो हाय।
हेलो हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून।
हेलो हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
हाँ, हेलो हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून लेडीज एंड
हेलो
जेंटलमैन।
हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
This is question round class.
This is question round class.
I am going to
I am going to
practice
practice
of question
of question
answer.
answer.
How do you feel?
Sir, I feel good.
हाँ, जब भी मैं पूछूं how do you feel, आपको मुझको 3 लाइन में आंसर देने की कोशिश कीजिए। सुन रहे हो? जब मैं बोला आपसे how do you feel, आप कहोगे सर I feel good because I came here, I try to answer, so I think that I feel good and also I think lots of things in my mind कि how I answer, how I talk, how I deal। ठीक है, 2-4 लाइन में आंसर देने की कोशिश करने की, क्या करना है, कोशिश करना है। क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपकी, क्या प्रॉब्लम है अंशुमन? घर पे प्रैक्टिस करते हो कि नहीं?
No.
हैं?
No.
क्यों नहीं प्रैक्टिस करते भाई? आपका भाई, उसके साथ किया करो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट डेली करो, ईमानदारी के साथ करना तो पड़ेगा प्रैक्टिस ना, बगैर प्रैक्टिस को कैसे काम चलेगा? है बात समझ आ रही? प्रैक्टिस 5 मिनट करिए, देखिए रिजल्ट इतना जबरदस्त दिखता है। क्योंकि यहाँ जो आप लोग बोलते हो ना, मैं कभी कभी बुलवाता हूँ, मैं जो बुलवाऊंगा वही बोल दोगे, तो मैं जो बुलवाऊंगा वो रिपीट होता है, आपका दिमाग नहीं काम करता। लेकिन घर जाके बोलोगे, अपने से बोलोगे, तो आपका क्या होगा, काम करेगा। तो पहले आपका जो कमजोर कॉन्फिडेंस है उसको मजबूत करना अगर आपका, तो आपको अलग से क्या करना है, अलग से पावर देनी पड़ेगी उसको। क्या देनी पड़ेगी? और अलग से पावर क्या हो सकती है कि आप अकेले में अलग से घर पर यूं ही बोलते रहिए, तो अलग से पावर आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को मिलेगी, आप मजबूत बनोगे। मैं नहीं प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, फिर भी मैं यहाँ बोल सकता हूँ क्योंकि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस ठीक है। बात समझ में आ रही है? तो आप थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा मेहनत कीजिए, घर पे 5-10 मिनट बोलिए, 5-10 मिनट, ज्यादा नहीं, आधा घंटा 1 घंटा, 5-10 मिनट बोलिए, कुछ भी बोलिए। खेत में जा रहे हो टहलते हुए, गाय भैंस से मिलकर टहलते हुए, कुछ भी बोल सकते हो। बात समझ में आ रही है? ये तो थोड़ा सा चेंज करने की कोशिश कीजिए, अच्छा परफॉर्म करिए। आप लोग इतने इस लायक को बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर सकते हो, मंच को हिला सकते हो, राइट, जबरदस्त बोल सकते हो एकदम। बस आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए। अभी तक वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिख नहीं रहा है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं दिख रहा है जो रिक्वायर है यहाँ पे बोलने, जो रिक्वायर है लोगों को अट्रैक्ट करने की, जो कॉन्फिडेंस। सो आई डोंट सी उतना कॉन्फिडेंस। बहरहाल मेहनत करिए, कंटिन्यू, वेरी गुड, टेक और प्लेस। अंशुमन, अंशुमन ना, आर यू फाइन? गुड। आप तेज बोलिए, मुझको कभी कभी आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस दिखा कि जागा आपके अंदर एक आत्मा है जो जगा रही है, आपको बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे। यू कैन स्पीक बेटर देन योर ब्रदर।
Yes.
I think that you are smaller. You are smaller, but you can speak. Anshuman, tell me how do you feel?
Sir, I feel good.
You feel good. कुछ चेंजेस आपको दिख रहा है आपकी इंग्लिश में? Do you see any kind of changes in your English कि कुछ कॉन्फिडेंस आपको मिल रहा है, कुछ प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do you improve yourself?
Yes.
Tell me now, which is your favorite color?
Sir, my favorite color is red.
और तेज बोलने की कोशिश कीजिए ना, और तेज और थोड़ा सा टाइम। My favorite color is red. हाँ, 2-4-5 लाइन बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए। जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए उसमें एक लाइन मत बताइए ना।
My favorite color is red.
Good.
Actually, this color is very amazing,
Yes.
and many person like this color
and this color is look
Attractive,
attractive,
charming color.
charming color.
That's why
That's why
I like most.
I like most.
Okay. What do you think about the English? अंशुमन, अंग्रेजी के बारे में आप क्या समझते हो? एक क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Sir, this is
ऊपर नहीं देखना बच्चा, उधर आपको सामने देखना है, ठीक है? एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस बनाए रखना है.
yes, sir.
हाँ.
Sir, English is good subject and any means I go other country
हाँ.
and I still I don't know English. It's very problem
Yeah.
and you know English. You easy ways you speak English.
ओके, वेरी गुड. ठीक है, एक आपको फीडबैक देखना है कि आप प्रैक्टिस बहुत कम है, आप प्रैक्टिस करिए. ट्रांसलेट की भी, ग्रामर की आप लोग लगता है घर में प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते हो, नागा करते हो, नागा भी नहीं करना आपको, ठीक है? प्रैक्टिस बढ़ाइए, प्रैक्टिस की कमी है, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाइए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, कॉन्फिडेंस को बढ़ाइए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करिए, हमेशा घर पे बोलिए, ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्पीक, कुछ बात कहने की कोशिश कीजिए, फिर आपका कॉन्फिडेंस क्या है. बहुत स्लो बोल रहे हो, चीज़ें कह रहे हो, लेकिन बहुत स्लो बोल रहे हो, कॉन्फिडेंस उतना नहीं दिख रहा है, ठीक है? बात समझ में आ रही है? थोड़ा सा मेहनत करिए. गो है.